Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today, guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace the MAP sensor. That's the Manifold Absolute Pressure sensor for Mercedes W211. If you have that code, guys, right here, P0106, we'll demonstrate how to remove and replace the MAP sensor and what else could be wrong with it. So stay with us, we'll demonstrate quick on this one. It's a 2003 Mercedes E320. As you know, guys, we have close to 200 videos on that model, constantly adding more, so feel free, guys, to check out the channel and the playlist if you need help with one of those. Okay, as you know, older Mercedes always need some maintenance. So you need to open the hood, guys, and we'll show you now, okay, where exactly it is located and what else could be the issue with it. You need to remove that front cover by pulling up and pull out, okay, like that. This is the MAP sensor, guys, right here. But usually those, on most cars, they will be attached to the intake, but to the intake manifold. On this one it's not, and we'll show you why. We need to disconnect the wire, press there and pull out. Okay, now we will need to remove this one with reverse torque socket. Okay, let me show you what it looks like. We'll have the links on our website, Mechanic Lifestyle, guys, if you need to check out the links and all the tools we use. This is E8. Okay, so we'll go ahead and remove. There is only one bolt that holds it there. Okay, now don't pull it too much, because as I said, the other ones are usually attached to the intake. This one is not. It has a hose that goes to the intake. Okay, and if it's not the MAP sensor, always inspect the hose, guys. Okay, you can see, check it out. Let me turn the light on so you can see better. Check out this one. Okay, the hose is cracked. It's done. So that's why we have the engine light on, probably. You can see how easy it came out as well. So that vacuum hose will need to be replaced, so that way the MAP sensor will function right. So that's how you guys remove it. Make sure you inspect the hose. If you need to replace it, and that'll be the cheapest option instead of buying a new sensor. So hopefully the video will be helpful, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.